how to carry out an antigen test using the Panodyne nose and throat swab test kit. Work on a clean, flat surface. Blow your nose before the test. Then disinfect your hands using sanitizer, soap and water, or an antibacterial wipe, like this one from Clinell. The test kit is green and contains a swab, test tube with cap, a cassette test, an interpretation card, a diluent and instructions. First of all, thoroughly read through the instructions. Next, open the cassette test and place it on the flat surface. Pick up the test tube and insert it into the designated holder in the tests box. Remove the lid of the diluent by twisting the cap, which should easily break off. Squeeze the diluent into the test tube and set aside. Now it's time for the swab sample. Take the swab and open it. Be careful not to touch the sample area. This test can be carried out using a nasal or a throat sample. First, I will show you how to get the throat sample. Ensure that you get the swab to the back of the throat, near the tonsils. Avoid touching the tongue and the teeth with the swab. Now I will show you how to do the nasal sample. Put the swab into the nostril until there is resistance. Rotate it at least 5 times before removing. Put the swab into the test tube. Rotate it 10 times. Gently remove the swab. Discard the swab safely by inserting it into its original packaging. Place the cap on the test tube. Now your sample is ready for testing. Put 3 drops of the sample into the designated area of the test cassette. Wait until the C line appears to ensure it is valid. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Then interpret your results. A red line on the C and a red or pink T line is a positive result for COVID-19. A red line on the C only is a negative result. A red line on the T only is an invalid result, as is a test with no lines. To learn more about our COVID-19 test kits, visit www.rapidfiresupplies.co.uk.